What is going on, guys? Justin or OVO update back again with another video. You guys already know what's going down. It's vlog day, drop day today at OVO. So we are heading to the Ian Center. I thought about what store I was gonna do today. I was either thinking going to Square One or Dundas, the two stores I haven't hit yet, but we're gonna save those for another video. But we're heading to Eaton. We're gonna check out the tie-dye collection, the red and the blue. We're gonna check out the Canada with the runner as well, so stay tuned in today's video for all that heat. I also wanna know what you guys are copping from today's drop, whether it was the tie-dye or the Canada or just the hat, because the hats are making a hot comeback. We got like 2 new styles, 6 hats total. Quickly though, I am gonna give you guys an outfit of the day, so of course we rocking a snapback up on top. I wish OVO would do more of those, but we got the Young Street Dreams. For the bottoms though, we're rocking the runner shorts with the OGL. Anyways, y'all, I'll see you when we hop in the car. You guys already know, starting the day off. Filling up gas, man. When are these OVO Air Forces coming? Because I need a pair, goddamn. Just got off the highway and we are currently, I don't know if you can see the sign, we're on Bloor Street right now. This is actually the street when Drake says in No Shopping, he's like, I'm on Blue where you can't shop. This is the actual street. He says that because there's Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, Dior, all that designer stores just down the street. But yeah, this is Bloor Street in Toronto. Gonna be at OVO in around, I want to say 5 to 10 minutes. So I better head to the parking garage, park up, then head inside. We at Yonge and Dundas right now. This is kind of like our Times Square for Toronto. They do all the billboards there for OVO Fest. There's OVO. Looks like we got a bit of a line. So here's the full collection, man. We got the shorts. They look more yellow in person. Not too sure which ones to get though. Here are the shorts with the zippers. And the hoodies, made in Canada. As well as the shirts, made in China. You already know. Had to get the t-shirt. I was gonna get the shorts, but they're way more yellow in person than I thought. But I'll show you guys when we get to the car what I ended up getting. Alright guys, quick change of plans. Instead of doing the review and unboxing it right now, I'm about to head into OVO Dundas. So you can see there, we got a few people chilling around outside. But I actually want to go grab the iridescent shorts from last week. I do regret not picking that pair up. So I'm going to pray OVO Dundas has it because Eaton Center did not. And I'm going to get home and show you guys both the t-shirt and the shorts. Alright, so unfortunately they're sold out of the shorts, but we better head back home. I'll show you guys the t-shirt.
20 minutes later.
I just got back from Dundas and Ian Center, and I'm going to show you guys the pickup for today. Well, let's just get straight into this OVO bag right here. Receipt is in the bag. This was $65.54 after tax. Retail was $58 because this was tie-dye, so the retail was way more. $58 instead of the normal $48 for a t-shirt. Not too bad though. Still $60 for a tee. Could be worse, but here we go, here we have it. So as you can see, we got the special tag for the dyed products. That comes on the hoodies as well as the shorts and the t-shirt. And it does come with this paper right here to cover it from transferring over. So I'm gonna take this one out of the plastic. I think OVO stopped doing the dust bags because I haven't seen any of the bags, Ziploc bags, in a while. So taking the t-shirt out, first thing I notice is this insane puff of a print. Take a look. Very, very, very detailed right there. Super good quality. This shit is not coming off. Putting my fingers over it, it feels really nice. So if you did get this t-shirt, amazing piece. Now, notice the tag, made in China. Honestly, that is completely irrelevant for this piece because just take a look. Quality. Now, the sizing may be a bit different than the Canada tees. I'll let you guys know on sizing after I try this on, but here we have it. The dye is inside and out. Super clean, and it does not have the patch at the bottom. As you can see, just this print. This is super nice tee to have for the summer, you know, the t-shirt as well as these shorts. Now, I was originally gonna get these shorts, but I don't know, the yellow for me, it was a bit more yellowier in person and I didn't really like it as much. So ended up passing on the shorts. I was gonna do a t-shirt and short fit pick, but I ended up passing. But let me know what you guys picked up from today's drop. Again, it was a pretty good drop. We had lots of stuff. But yeah, first one of August. Hopefully we have more heat like this for the rest of the month. So without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.